Alright, so here we got the iRobot, the Roomba 560 model. Technically it's 561, but iRobot considers to be at 560. And the 561 is just basically means it has a newer software on it. And it has the auto virtual walls, the slim virtual walls with it. So basically I'll show you what I got here. First of all, the battery here is used and it lasts over an hour and 49 minutes on carpet and hardwood mix. So obviously if you have just hardwood, it most likely lasts you about 2 hours, which for the battery that's really good. So the battery is pretty strong on this, and show you quickly what inside, what I got. So first of all, it's the original box here. The serial number right there. Alright. You got color right here. And quick start guide, the user manual, all inside, the registration papers. So it hasn't been opened yet, so it's all still inside, all the paperwork. Alright. So first of all, I got a cleaning tool to clean the brushes with. Got the charger. Power supply to charge up the battery in the Roomba. Even has a cover on the plug here. So, excellent condition power supply. Then we got a docking station. So, here's the back side and bottom of it. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions, please let me know. So here we got the 2 slim auto virtual walls. These do have batteries included. I'm not sure about how long they have on the lifespan, but the batteries do work on these. And so, like I said, this has the auto feature. So the batteries, last for a while. And again, they're in excellent shape. Alright. Then we got the extra brand new filter. And the Roomba itself. Alright, so here's the Roomba. And this Roomba I got the vinyl faceplate. A little bit of carbon fiber style look to it. It's vinyl, so it's more scratch resistant. So it's in great shape. In the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Yeah, flip it over here. Alright, the 3-leg brush here is in excellent shape. And the front wheel is also almost like new. As does the pull tab, to when you guys receive it, just pull on it and release the connection to the battery. So the battery will connect to the system and it'll work. I'll show you guys in just a second how it works. There's model number 561. Alright, get the test bin out. So everything has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. Alright. So here's a serial number in case anybody interested in. So all the brushes have been cleaned. And the gears on this clean head module also have been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Alright, I'll show you guys how it works. So just put your finger right through it and pull on the tab. Then you just made a connection, and you flip it over, press the clean button. So everything has been checked and make sure everything works perfectly. And I'll show you guys that it does straight run, no problems. So the bumper sensors all work fine. Alright, so thanks for watching. Happy bidding.